Hey guys, it's Nick Turner with the Allen Turner Home Team. I'm standing out in front of our newest listing, 2645 Timberlock Court, Snellville, Georgia, 30039. This one's going to be coming on the market Wednesday, March 4th. I'm telling you, you're going to have to act fast. You do not want to miss this house. It's got updated kitchen, updated master bedroom and bathroom, secondary bathrooms. It's a 4-bed, 2.5 bath, got an unfinished basement. It's been re-sided recently. The roof's pretty new HVAC units, new water heater. I mean, the list goes on and on and on, and I'm telling you, it keeps going on and on after that. But you're going to have to come see it in person. I'm going to give you one sneak peek at the kitchen, show you my favorite feature of the house while we're in there. Other than that, Wednesday, March 4th, this baby's going on the market, $264,900. Give me a call, send me a message, 770-490-1427. You got to come see this one quick because it's not going to last too long. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Thank you. Check out this beautiful custom kitchen remodel. We've got gorgeous cherry cabinets, custom tile work on the backsplashes, on the floors. We've got inlaid tile designs here, and one in the breakfast room right here. And my favorite feature, look at this cool thing. It's an instant hot water heater. Watch your hands, it gets hot. But I'm telling you, this is just one small example of all the great renovations and updates that have been done at this home. So make sure you come check it out. Once again, that's 2645 Timberlock Court, Snellville, Georgia, 30039. And we will see you here soon.